Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the hardware and permissions so pairing works reliably. First, check your headphone's waterproof rating and battery level, then put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. On your phone, enable the voice assistant and Bluetooth and allow microphone access. Once done, pair the headset to your phone and accept any audio or call prompts. This routes assistant audio through the Boat headphones. Do this now to avoid repeating steps near water and engine noise. Now you refine how the assistant hears and replies, because clarity matters on a boat. In the headset app, update firmware and enable open mic or voice monitor features. This improves latency and reliability. Adjust wake word sensitivity so you avoid false triggers from waves or engine rumble, and prioritize voice calls in Bluetooth settings so the assistant can interrupt media. Make sure ANC or wind reduction is on and select a Bluetooth codec like AAC or aptX for better voice quality. Finish by testing real-world commands so you know it works under load. Ask for navigation, whether or to call a contact, and confirm responses come through the headset. Position the microphone toward your mouth and use a push-to-talk button for loud conditions. This reduces wind and engine masking. If the assistant fails, reboot both devices, forget and repair the headset, and update firmware. These steps resolve most connectivity or audio routing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.